Are you ready to unlock the secrets of one of the most in-demand programming languages in the world? Python is taking over, and you're about to find out why. From data science to deep learning, Python is the language of choice for top tech companies and innovators. In this video, we're going to give you the ultimate Python programming tutorial, covering everything you need to know to get started with Python. From the basics to advanced topics like React development and Kubernetes orchestration. So, let's dive in and explore what makes Python so special. First, it's easy to learn, with a simple syntax that's perfect for beginners. But don't be fooled, Python is also incredibly powerful, with a vast range of libraries and frameworks that make it perfect for complex data science projects and deep learning tutorials. You can use Python for web development, scientific computing, and even automation. And with the rise of machine learning and artificial intelligence, Python has become the go-to language for data scientists and engineers. But what about React development? Can you use Python with React? The answer is yes. With tools like PyReact and Django, you can build fast and scalable web applications using Python and React. And if you're interested in deploying your applications at scale, you'll need to know about Kubernetes orchestration. Kubernetes is a powerful tool for managing containerized applications. And with Python, you can automate and optimize your deployments. Now, let's talk about deep learning tutorials. Python is the language of choice for deep learning. With popular libraries like TensorFlow and Keras, you can use Python to build neural networks, train models, and deploy them to production. But what about data science projects? Can you use Python for data analysis and visualization? Absolutely. With libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, you can analyze and visualize complex datasets with ease. From data cleaning to machine learning, Python has everything you need to get started with data science. And with the rise of big data, Python has become an essential tool for any data scientist or engineer. So, what are you waiting for? Start your Python journey today and discover the endless possibilities of this incredible language. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this video has given you the ultimate Python programming tutorial, covering everything you need to know to get started with Python. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below with your favorite Python use case. And if you want to learn more about Python and other programming topics, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and videos. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the world of Python and explore more advanced topics like natural language processing and computer vision. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep coding.